You might have seen that recently I posted a short video, you can see even here, of the my lower dantian being stimulated, and I want to take advantage of this video to talk a little bit about the lower dantian and its development, because somehow for many people still remains some sort of concept of a mystery, but in reality when the lower dantian is active we can see the responses that we see in these clips that I'm sharing. Of course, there is a progress, there is a certain development that takes place in our Neigong practice, and certain systems they emphasize 100% the lower dantian. They just talk about the lower dantian, not really paying attention to other aspects of the practice, because when we talk about Neigong, at least in my opinion, we're talking about growing in our totality. And in the Neigong system, eventually the final goal is to strengthen the three dantians and to balance them. So the lower dantian, the middle dantian, and the higher dantian. Only in this way we can really be balanced in life and we can grow in the right way. Otherwise, we might see imbalances showing up of different kind. And we can even talk about this maybe in a later video that could be more appropriate. On this video in particular, I want to talk about the lower dantian because when the lower dantian starts to be active, we have a certain progress that takes place. In the beginning, the sensations that we may have could be the one that are reported also in the text. In the Neigong system, we start to work on the lower dantian on the third and fourth basic programs. So basically, after you do the first two programs, they take about 4 months to finish, then you start to work on the lower dantian with breathing exercises. And when the dantian starts to be active, at least in the way we want for the energy practice, we may experience those sensations reported in the text, which are basically a sensation of heat, spontaneous jumping in the lower abdomen area, a clear sensation of having something down there, like density. Another sensation could be a vibration, things of this kind. And these kind of sensations might even happen outside the practice, also because the lower dantian is reactive to certain experiences in life. And again, maybe I will do another video, otherwise I will go off topic with this one. In this video, I want to show you a little bit the different reactions that we have as beginners when the lower dantian is being stimulated, and more advanced practitioner in the Neigong system. As you can see in the beginner state, it's a good dantian. It means that it is responding to the external stimulation, and you can see some kind of movement following the energy emission being received. At the later stage, it gets even embarrassing sometimes. You can see a video with me and another Nei Qigong full practitioner, advanced practitioner. You can see basically that the belly is really jumping crazy. And honestly, it's the first time that I show this kind of videos because I don't really like to show off this thing. Actually, I feel it a little bit ashamed when this kind of stimulations happen during the practice, my practice, or even in particular when I'm teaching. You know, if I'm teaching, I don't like the students to see this kind of big movements happening down there, because I don't want them to think that somehow I'm special, or they picture some kind of thing that they should experience. This is just the outcome of years and years of practice. Now I've been practicing for almost 9 years, or 8 years and a half, something like this, daily. So it's normal that we see this kind of reactions, as you can see in my video and the video of the other practitioner that gently allow me to share his belly for the sake of showing that actually the Neigong system really works. And this is a clear proof of it. And sometimes people say that you need a master to work on your lower dantian to start to be active, otherwise only the practice will not do it, or you need to pay lots of money. It's not like this. If you have a system that works, eventually you will experience the sensations that in the beginning I described. And if you see these videos of the more seasoned practitioners receiving this kind of external stimulation, you just scale it down, basically, in terms of what might be certain sensations of spontaneous pulsing movement in the lower belly area. So there is a progress. There is a progress that it can be faster or slower. It really depends according to our starting point. It really depends from the way we practice. It really depends from our ability of stir the attention in the right direction while we do the exercises, at the same time being detached by the result, because this allows the body to be fully open and the energy to flow freely, and also to be in a meditative state and a good state for the practice. But basically we go from this softer, let's say, experiences of jumping, warm, density, vibration in the lower abdomen, in the lower dantian area, to something that eventually is going to become even quite embarrassing to show, because it's really, things get out of control. As you can see, as you saw probably in the clips, the dantian really wants to almost come out, you know. This is the kind of response that we get when we become more seasoned into the practice. Of course, it takes years, and we have to be patient on it. And the only thing actually to get there eventually is to practice. Again, the reason why I'm showing you these clips is not to show off. It's actually to give you a proof that what we do works, and also to give you an idea of what kind of sensations, because my students sometimes wonder, sometimes they ask directly and I answer, but I think this kind of video can really give them a better understanding of what eventually they are going towards, or maybe what they're already experiencing, but just in a smaller scale, because they don't have many years of practice at their back. So I hope that somehow this video was interesting. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. I will try to make maybe another video where I talk about other aspects connected to the lower dantian, because the lower dantian has, let's say, a dualistic, like everything in life, dualistic aspect, and some things stimulate the lower dantian. One thing I want to say, maybe I can include a short clip even now, it's that you might think that crazy reaction happened because there was an energy emission being received at that moment. But it's not like that. Even in this little clip that I'm including now, you can see that even the needles of the acupuncture treatment are already creating some kind of response. And this kind of response is not just, doesn't happen only during the treatment. It can happen during the practice, it can happen in another moment of the day. And for this reason, I want to make another video where I talk about how the lower dantian, its function and its dualistic essence that makes him respond in a certain way. See you on the next video.